So you ran the talent tank dry and now you're on your side. Hey, it happens. You're stuck waiting for someone to stop and pull you back over, but this is a race and you're gonna be waiting for a while. Unless you have the electric jack. And for fun, let's time it. The jack is stored in our weld-on chassis mounts. Use the universal hook to grab the top rail of the roll cage. Here it's important to position the jack as vertical as possible for this lift as well as every other. Use your spare tire or other large object to support the vehicle when repositioning the jack. This is super important for not only your first lift, but all subsequent lifts, as this is your safety or backup to the jack should something slip or change position. With the tire now under the chassis, you're able to reposition the jack for your second lift. The quick release mounting system gives you over 16 inches of height adjustment. And as you can see, the jack is operated with just the push of a switch. The no-sink pad design keeps the jack from sinking into the sand. The flat pad on the universal hook gives you a second lifting point on the same tool. Great for not only rollover situations like this, but also lifting on the side of a vehicle if you're doing servicing, such as axle repair, suspension repair. So you can see the jack slipping. That's why we keep the tire under the vehicle at all times, supporting the vehicle in between lifts. Now as the jack comes up, you're going to take the tire from the horizontal position, turn it vertical so that you're able to continue to support the vehicle in between those lifts. Again, super critical that we do this so that there is no potential for the car to slip or fall back down on us or anyone else. You see here on this one, we're actually raising it all the way to the top of its height adjustment. And another quick tip here, when doing these, it's always a good idea to keep your foot on the jack. That way if you are on a slippery surface like we are here, it's just a little extra aid to prevent the jack from possibly slipping. Use the V-groove top cap on your final lift to push from the top of the jack. Always support your vehicle with your spare tire, especially on the last lift. And now push the car over and get back to racing. This no-stress rollover recovery is brought to you by the Electric Jack.